Taryn from Listing Llama. We're going to spend the next couple weeks really getting you up to speed with the app. Our first episode here is called Getting in the Driver's Seat. Thanks for joining with us here, and thanks for including us on your real estate journey ahead. We're here with you right from the start to help you find the best realtor. Whether you're buying or selling your home, you want to be from the most advantageous position possible, empowered with knowledge and in the driver's seat. Over the next couple weeks, we'll share a series of emails to make sure you've got all you need to get the most from Listing Llama and your chosen realtor. This first email is to give you a quick overview of the process ahead and help you set up your profile and create an opportunity. The next emails will help you with reviewing realtors, engaging in chat, and accepting proposals. Enjoy the process. The groundwork for success. Effectively express your needs with a great opportunity. Objectively review and compare the proposals you receive. Engage in chat with realtors while keeping your identity confidential. Confidentiality can be important for protecting sensitive personal or business relationships, from relationship or job changes to high-profile individuals who need privacy. Never let a realtor talk you out of maintaining your confidentiality. We take this seriously in order to give you a place to feel free to get down to brass tacks without worry. Don't be afraid to ask the questions that you need answered. Only make a choice once you're ready, and use the knowledge base you've built on Listing Llama when you're in the negotiation stages, either with your realtor or when you're ready to buy or sell. So when you're creating your profile, remember your information's confidential. Make sure you share your accurate information, and we'll only share your identity with the realtor that you choose after you've accepted their proposal and they've mutually done the same. Take your time creating your opportunity. You don't need to create it instantly, but you certainly can if you want to. Share the things you love about your home, and don't be afraid to get detailed. This is all valuable information for your realtor. Think of this as getting ahead of the game. By the time you're ready to work with your chosen realtor, you've psychologically and literally laid a lot of the groundwork for making a great MLS listing or making a really good purchase offer. Photos. Definitely share photos. You can share iPhone photos. It doesn't matter. These aren't going on MLS. They're just to help the realtor really get a sense of your property. Buyers. You can share photos too. Go online, find images that inspire you, and really tell the realtor what it is that you're looking for. Finish the comments about your home with some personal questions so that you can qualify the realtor and know that they understand what you really want. Don't be afraid to be specific. Examples can include, have you listed, bought, or toured a condo in my building or the building that I like? Or do you know the schools in the area? Does the neighborhood have a good transit system? Don't forget, this is a big deal, so make sure that you really share the details with your realtor. This is something you're going to live with well into the future. We're always here for pointers, and we can't wait to talk to you soon.